it's working. Hi. Oh. Hey everybody, it's me again, Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin Real Estate team with Remax House of Real Estate. And check out where I am now. Look at this beautiful, beautiful land behind me. I'm in the Fallen Timber area, so near Cremona. It's peaceful, quiet, gorgeous property that I'm at here. It's just under 4 acres. Hi, Tyler. How's everybody doing on this gorgeous Sunday? Look where I am. Aren't you jealous? Aren't you jealous? No, I know you're not jealous. You're just happy that I get to be here, right, on this beautiful day. So yeah, I'm at this property. It's just under 4 acres. It's got 6 bedrooms. It's the cutest thing. Let's see if I can. It's this really cool little cabin. It's so nice out today. It's got a shop. So I'm going to show you guys around in here. I have people here looking at it. It's not listed yet. It's coming soon. So watch this video and I'll tell you guys the price. It's a really great price. A really, really affordable acreage. Huge trees. There's some cleared at the front though too. So there's green space plus trees. It's got a really neat gazebo with a fire pit in it. Really well built. Gorgeous, gorgeous heated shop with an automatic door and everything on it. Hi, Lindy. So if you guys know anybody looking for an acreage like this with a really nice renovated house, make sure you start a watch party, as like I always say, onto any pages that you follow, or you can even start a watch party on your own page, or share it, or tag all the people. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. They're just having a look at the outside of the property, and I'm going to just show you guys the inside. So let's flip this around. Thanks for watching, everyone. So it's got a really nice wraparound veranda here. Really, really cute. And there's places to put flowers. There's flower boxes all along here. That's your view from your front patio. Sorry, I wish I had my gimbal selfie stick, but it's not with me today, so we're just winging it like this, but I'm going to be as still as I can. We have a clothesline. Check that out. It's really neat. It's really, really neat. It's a lot of room, and we don't have it measured yet. That's going to happen this week, but it's very big. Okay, this is one entry. So this is the mudroom kind of entry here, and you can also come in through this door here. And here we are in the kitchen. It's a really open concept. So it's a newer kitchen, nice fixtures, really cool barnwood accents. Check out this giant dining area. And it's just open here. Little area you could put chairs in there. We staged it a bit, so it's got just a bench. And a cozy area, so you can kind of hang out, while somebody's cooking. There's a fireplace. You can heat a lot of this house with that fireplace. It's a wood burning. Hi, Caitlin. Here we are in our house we had so much fun in yesterday. Okay, so down on this end, there's 2 bedrooms. So here's one beautiful bedroom. That's a queen bed. I know, it's just beautiful. Queen bed, big closet, really big room here. This one right now is not staged, but I'm going to show it to you. It's a bedroom. It's a little bit smaller, but it's a bedroom. It's not a bad size. There's a closet over there. Good size closet. Everything is really clean in here, really well done. Like some acreages aren't done that well. They're kind of half done or whatever, but this one is really, really nice. Some nice wood paneling. It's got slate tile. So let's go up. There's just a few stairs, so we call it a bungalow, into this huge huge living room. This is a gorgeous living room. Big TV, room for all your speakers. You can have a great movie night here. There's a little desk, and then a full bathroom right off of here. And we also have laundry, really centrally located. Laundry room with a light, wallpaper and everything. New furnaces. Hot water tank's pretty new. Okay, so right off of this huge family room is another room that we didn't stage, but this is a nice big bedroom as well. This was built on in 2010. And the original house, I need to figure out, it's a little bit older, but it's renovated in excellent condition. Okay, so now we've got another bedroom. This is a queen bed. So these are huge bedrooms. All the rooms, just the one little one, but all the rest of them are really big. Just have not quite put curtains up in this one, but here's the other bedroom. So there it is. And then we've got the master, which, oh, it's so beautiful. So we got master here. Really nice laminate floor. That's a king bed. So look how big this is. It's a king bed. Yeah, it's huge bedrooms. Like every room is big. Even that one that has storage in it, it's quite a big one. There's quite a bit of things in it right now, but barn door. Look at the barn door. They got a TV here. There's room for a dresser. Like you could put a couple chairs in here if you wanted to have a sitting area, but just look at your view. Look at the trees. It's like a piece of art right there. And they've got this really neat wood frame around the window. So it is like a piece of art. You're looking out into a piece of art, right? Okay, this master bathroom, it's got tile, wood. It's like tile floors, but it looks like wood. Look at this. Look at these. Look at these sinks. They're this really neat, like oil rub bronze sink. Really awesome stone countertops. Look at just the lights and everything. So much was put into this. Beadboard ceilings. And look at the closet. Like who doesn't want to live here? Right? Come on. Look at this tub. It just keeps going. Look how huge the tub is. But the shower. Okay, the shower, you guys. Look at that. It's got the wood walls. It's got a rain head. It's got also 2 more shower heads. It's just so big. And the glass is it's the really heavy glass. I forget what it's called, 10 mil or something like that, but it's the really heavy glass. And then around here is your little potty. So what an awesome design. Awesome design. Okay, and now you know what I forgot to show you guys is the bathroom at the other end. So I'm just gonna walk you through here again. We'll go through the house again. I'll let you see it. I won't make you watch me. So it's a really neat little open concept. You can see right through there. It's the cutest little thing. Then there's the kitchen down there. Like the little pass-through kind of thing. Pass me a drink, honey. Right? Right. That's what we would do. That's what I would do. Okay. So we go back down here through the kitchen. And then there's these 2 bedrooms down here. And I forgot to show you. So there's that one again. And then we're here at this other one that's a bit of a storage room right now. But this is this bathroom with 2 sinks. So check that out. 2 sinks, another big shower with slate, like very well done. I've seen a lot of houses. This is very well done. Slate, like this is a lot of work and a very nice reno here. So now I told you if you would watch all the way to the end that I would tell you the price of this property. So I bet you guys would guess wrong. But anyways, this property is $550,000 and it is going to be available probably in the next day or 2 here. So I'm going to let these guys come look at the house and I'm going to say bye to everybody. Thanks for watching, everyone. And we will see you soon. Okay, bye.